morning, student. This is a new topic where we are going to understand what is applied history. First of all, we understand what is history. Events of the past scenarios that took place in the past where many of the historians keep a data of it so that we can correlate from the past and to the future. So, history is the events of the past. How are the events of the past? The king was there. How it was so relevant? So, here comes the answer of your question, that is applied history. Applied history means practical knowledge. That means what has been learned by you for passing the exam that is not redundant. That is something in your past. From there you can learn something like events and we can use that knowledge in a current time. For example, when we visit any museum, old libraries, forts, aren't we curious to understand the story behind it? Yes. What are the arts? What are the infrastructure? Which region? When you tend to analyze it, the mistakes or the good part, all you understand and you can analyze the good decisions or the bad decisions. That should not repeat again. Why? Because you critically analyzed it. You critically searched it to find the fact. Many question arises. This is the Aga Khan Fort where we have a history of Gandhiji's, that is in Pune. Many questions will arise here. Why do India got invaded by invaders? It was a rich country, no? Well, it is we call Sone ki Chidiya. It had so much of spices. Why? Because India had no unity. Your answer. Because you critically analyzed. How after analyzation? That is applied part. This way, if any time India start behaving ununited again, so that any other powerful country can overcome India again. So, the idea to stay together with full of constitutional rights, that is the good part. There are precious things which we can learn from this past. These things we have mentioned for the future, for the better future, because these are the jewels of the past. History is about past events. The way our present lifestyle is shaped is dependent on the historical chain of events. Historical events relate to various fields like politics, social, religious structure, and community, philosophy, technology, and science, etc. Each of these fields have their own history of building knowledge. Now we are going to learn philosophy. Philosophy that correlates and helps to understand the origin of various ideologies, and it needs a language as a medium of expression. That's it. Now here the science. How past history helps in a science, that we are elaborating here. Science helps in understanding the chronological order of scientific discoveries and inventions and theories. Now here comes the technology. Technology, the history of technology helps to understand the change and their causes in the field of agricultural production, commodities, etc. Technology, we start taking knowledge from the past. and here we form a great technology. Now here comes the industry and commerce. It promotes the continuous development of industry. For example, many industry they have started, but we want to improve the chain of the past from the future. Here comes the management of studies. How do we manage the new things from the past to the future? How do we manage? From the knowledge of the history, it is regards make the management at various level easier. Now here comes the arts. In arts is a key of expression in any form, emotional temperament of the artist and the development of the history. Humanities. Humanities is the ancient people all over the world tired speculate in order to understand the relationship between the universe and the human existence. This gave rise to the various mythological stories like the origin of the world. The universal order, human life, gods and goddess, ritual and their philosophical explanation, roots of the philosophy, these all mythologies are depend on the humanities what we have taken from the past and we are continuing in the future. These are the tough words which had meaning also. Go through the meanings as well as the chapter thoroughly, and we'll begin the next session afterwards, after the next class. So go through the chapter